how to permanently delete your Facebook account on Android. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now tap Account Center. Tap Manage Account. Again, tap Manage. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select Delete Account, then tap Continue. Facebook will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select the option that best matches your situation, then tap Continue. When you're ready, tap Continue, then enter your Facebook password to verify your identity. Finally, tap Continue again, then confirm by selecting Delete Account. Once confirmed, you'll be logged out of Facebook and your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. After that period ends, your account and data will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.